Okay, so this is a entirely new project for me. Just recently, I guess, within the last year or two, yeah, I've been a lot more comfortable with looking at larger horizons, and I found the reinitiated space race happening right now, and I've been totally obsessed for about the last year or so. So what I've concluded basically is that private companies are taking over space exploration, like SpaceX with Elon Musk and Blue Origin with Jeff Bezos. Elon Musk is focused on a Mars colony. Jeff Bezos looking at a moon colony. And we're at a point in time where technology is getting advanced enough that this stuff is very possible within the next 10 to 20 years. So me currently being below the age of 30, you can imagine how exciting that is because there's a good chance that I will have a shot at being on Mars or the moon during my lifetime. So that is something that's very much fascinated me. So there are many other companies and rocket companies that are just viciously attacking this landscape. Virgin Galactic with Richard Branson is looking at space tourism, and they've pre-sold hundreds of tickets already. And as we see, just like with all new technology, the technology is going to get better, and prices are going to go down, and space travel will one day be affordable. And even at that point, then we can start moving a lot of the population to other planets, which I think is just very cool. So currently, I'm trying to orient my skills more in a tech setting and work with more softwares and just basic building blocks. Just a quick background, I have a degree in computer science and I've studied for the Salesforce administrator, which I have that certification. I'm currently studying for the Salesforce app builder certification. So I came up with this idea for a great project to model a Mars colony using Salesforce just as a way to help me learn and also help other people who are studying to learn how to use the platform. So this is going to be a multi-video series with two series. The first series will be more focused on administrator, and the second series more focused on app builder, like workflows, and actually turning it into a functional colony. So what we're going to be doing in each of these videos is jumping into a Salesforce org and working hands-on with the setup of basically a mock Mars colony. It could also be a moon colony, similar fundamentals, and hopefully in the process we learn a lot and have fun. So we are going to get right into it.